Hi guys, Robin here with WTI. I want to talk to you about this ice maker. This Frigidaire ice maker is suitable for countertops and it has a really small footprint. You can see that it's really not that much bigger than a regular coffee machine. And this little thing can make up to 26 pounds of ice per day. You have two different options for sizes. There is large and small. The ones being in the bin here are the larger sizes, which personally I prefer. Small would be great if you're looking to blend or have maybe some cocktails, but these are the large pieces here. It comes with a removable basket, so if you did want to continue to take them out, put them in the freezer, or if you just want to leave it in there, they do melt down and just recycle the water. I love how they've kept this so sleek and modern with only two little tabs on the side. It is super easy to open and great for everyday use. I absolutely love my ice machine. I think it's great, but that's just my point of view.